Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning in to our channel once again. So today's request is how to use Canva for Pinterest. So let's talk about that. We've got two things in our plate today, and those are how to make a Pinterest pin, how to share your Pinterest pin directly from Canva to Pinterest. You can go ahead and skip to the part you want to watch because we're going to tackle these things in order. So let's get started. Okay, so for example, you want to create a Pinterest pin. You can create one from scratch by going to custom size right over here and by inputting your desired dimensions over here. You can also input your or choose your desired unit. And once you're done, click on create new design and it'll take you to the editing page. Or you can look for some templates that you can use and modify. To do that, go to the search bar right over here and type in Pinterest pin. And from the drop down, select See All, and you'll be taken to the templates page where you can choose from lots of beautiful templates. Feel free to choose one that you'd like to use and modify. As for me, I'm going to look for something quite simple today. So what about this one? And then we're going to click on Customize this template. Okay, and now we're going to be routed to the editing page. So this is the editing page. In case you'd like to change your template, the side panel over here displays the templates automatically. So just scroll down and look for templates that you might like. But to get to the things you're looking for faster, you can also use the search bar right over here. You can search for specific templates you're looking for. Say, for example, fashion. Or cooking. And once you choose one, just click on it and it'll be added as a new page. I don't think I need this one anymore, so I'm just going to delete it and keep this one. Okay, so let's start designing. Change it however you like to change it. I think this is already a beautiful template, but we're going to have to modify it because these templates from Canva are accessible to many people. That means they're going to be able to use the same template that you're using. So in order to make yours look unique and a bit different, then go ahead and customize it. Okay, I'd like to start with the photo. I'm just going to delete this and replace this with another photo. The frame's nice too, but I think I'd like to delete it. If you have your own photos you'd like to use, go to the Upload section over here. If you have not uploaded your photos yet, then click on Upload Files, and your photos will be uploaded right over here. And you can drag them or click on them to add them to your design. Obviously, those are not the photos that I'm going to use, and I unfortunately don't have any photos of food. So to serve as an example, I'm just going to look for photos under the element section and type in food. And I'm going to go to photos, and I specifically want to use cutouts, just like this one. So to do that, I'm just going to go to this filter button right here, and I'm going to filter out all the results. So I'm going to search for cutouts only. Let's go back over here, and there we have it. These are cutouts only. I think I really like this pancake. I think it goes well with our theme, so I think I'm going to use this one and add it over here. I think there's a lot of space below. I don't really need these, so I'm just going to move some of these elements below. And I'm going to put it here because I'm going to be replacing those texts later. And I'm going to place my pancake over here. These leaves look very nice. And yeah, but in order to make ours look different, we're gonna have to replace them. And I'd like to add a shadow to my pancake. I think it already has a shadow, but it's too faint. So I'd like to add a shadow to it. I'm gonna click on it and go to edit image. And I'm gonna choose shadows over here. So we have glow, drop, angle, curved page lift, and backdrop. I think I'd like to use drop. And there it is. I think I like it. And in case you'd like to change the intensity of your shadow, you just double click on your chosen effect. And there it is. You can adjust it however you want to by adjusting the sliders or by inputting exact values over here. But as for me, I think I'm happy with it, so I'm going to stick with it for now. And as for the background color, it's really very nice. I hate to change it, but I think I have to because it matches too well. I'd like our pancake to stand out, so I'd like to change our color to something lighter. Perhaps this one's okay. Or this one. Maybe this one. And I'm going to rearrange these elements over here. I'm going to delete this one and duplicate this one instead. And just like that. And I'm going to change this to pancake and resize it. Perhaps we can also change this one, but if not, we can zoom it in and do something like this. And then this one should be in all capital letters, recipe. But I'm not sure if it's aligned to the center perfectly, so I'm going to align it there. Okay, now I think we removed our leaves earlier, so we're going to replace it with maple leaf. I'd like to use graphics instead of photos. And I'd like to clear our filter so that we get everything. This one looks nice, but I'd like to use a more cartoony maple leaf. Okay. Perhaps this one's nice. Okay, I'd like to use this one instead. I'm gonna put it here. This one I'm gonna delete. And I'm gonna duplicate it, put the other one over here, but in a kind of different position. And I'd like to try to edit the color. Oh, unfortunately, I don't think I can do that. Or maybe I can. Let's use duotone. I don't think there's much of a difference, but let's double click. No, we can't do it. I guess we'll have to stick with that. And yeah, that should be it. Just a very simple example for today's video. Okay, to publish your design directly from Canva to Pinterest, go to the share button right over here. And on the drop-down, select Share on Social. And here, look for Pinterest, which is very easy to do because it's very noticeable. And there are also, just several options to choose from. So we're going to click on Pinterest. And this will appear over here. If you've already connected your Pinterest account to Canva, then all of your boards will show up here because here you'll have the option to choose the board where you'd like your Canva Pinterest design to be uploaded to. But if not, then of course you're going to have to connect your account to Canva first. Mine says connect new account because I already have an existing Pinterest account here. But if you have not, then the option to connect your Pinterest account will show up here. So click on it, and Canva will ask you to sign into Pinterest, and it'll connect your Pinterest account if you do that. So I'm going to choose a specific board right here. So I'm going to select this one. And for the title, you can, yeah, put your title here. So in my case, it's called, pancake recipe. And for the description, you can write whatever you want here. And for the destination website, if you have a website where you'd like your Pinterest viewers to be taken to once they click on your Pinterest pin, then you can place that over here. And if you want to immediately publish your Pinterest pin, then click on Publish Now. But if you want to schedule it at a later time, then you can do this step. You can click on this button right here beside the Publish button, and it looks like a calendar, so click on it. And here, you'll be able to see a calendar, and you can choose the exact date you'd like your Pinterest to be uploaded. You can also input specific time over here. And once you're done, click on Done, and Canva will be the one to worry about when it will upload your Pinterest pin. But unfortunately, just a heads up, this feature or this Publish Later feature is unfortunately only available for those with a Canva subscription. All right, I guess that's it for today. We do hope you found our video today of help somehow. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. You have a great day.